productivity in Kenya, AGRA, in collaboration with the National Potato Council of Kenya, Egerton University, Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, KALRO, and county governments of Nyandarua have unveiled a program dubbed Kenya Sustainable Potato Initiative. Now, the project, which will be carried out through various interventions across the potato value chain, seeks to increase productivity and incomes of up to 150,000 farmers directly and increase competitiveness of the industry through improved value addition, marketing and policy environment.
The project will also create 4,800 employment opportunities for young people in primary production, input sourcing, marketing of potatoes, service provision and seed multiplication.
So we are working together with the county, and the county has actually been helping farmers to form cooperatives. We are working with the National Potato Council of Kenya, which also has been promoting farmers to join cooperatives. So this particular initiative will be working with those cooperatives in order to reach the farmers, and those cooperatives will also be supported using the Viazi King platform to be able to access seed from seed producers such as Agrico, such as ADC, such as KALRO, but also use that platform to also access fertilizers, but also access markets.
The project also aims to give 150,000 farmers access to extension information on sustainable farming practices for improved production. 400 potato farmer groups will be reached, strengthened and supported to trade through a structured marketing system by ensuring strategies and regulations on where and seed potato production and marketing are effectively adopted in the project counties.
So we must look at issues of production, especially of potatoes, more is a more integrated manner. Bring other technologies together in an integrated manner to be able to produce the potatoes.
An analysis done by TechnoServe in 2019 shows that after a period of steady growth between the years 2000 and 2010, productivity has stalled. As a result, Kenya struggles to compete with regional potato producers, particularly Egypt and South Africa.
We would want to see certified seed production actually increase. Right now, we only have about 9% of the total demand of the seed that is being there. And we want to see if we can push it up to about 27,000 metric tons of seed. We also want to reach about 150,000 smallholder farmers and to help them double or triple their production. As you have seen from the stands there, we have seed varieties that can produce up to 30 tons per hectare. And that is in comparison to maize that you can only get maybe 4 to 6 tons.
In Kenya, potato is both a staple food and a cash crop for many rural families and ranks as the second most important food crop after maize. It is grown by over 800,000 households, employs 2.7 million actors along the marketing channels, and contributes over 50 billion Kenya shillings to the economy. For KTN, I'm Paul Thiongo.
Right now, and let's look at sustainable beekeeping.